In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by accessing settings and scrolling down to access display and brightness. Then scroll all the way down and tap on screen refresh rate. Lastly, apply the best option for you by clicking on it and go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my Realme has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!